Right, so now in this lesson we'll be solving for x. Right, so the series converge and using sum to infinity. So we will be testing inequalities and then using sum to infinity to solve for x. Alright, so in this problem they've given me a series with variables, right? So I have 1 plus 2x plus 1 plus 2x squared plus 1 plus 2x cubed. So I'm multiplying every time by 1 plus 2x. So 2.1, for what values of x will the series converge? So first, once I hear the word converge, I'm always going to find the value of r. So r equal term 2 divided by term 1. So 1 plus 2x squared divided by 1 plus 2x, the same thing. So 2 minus 1 gives me 1, so r is 1 plus 2x. So for series to converge, r must be less than 1 and greater than minus 1. So there, 1 plus 2x less than 1 minus 1. Right, first take 1 over, so positive 1 would become negative 1 that side, positive 1, negative 1. Negative 1 gives me negative 2, 1 minus 1 gives me 0. I need to get x, so I'm going to divide by the coefficient in front of x, so I divide by 2, so 0 minus 2, and minus 2 divided by 2. So for this series to converge, x must be greater than minus 1 but less than 0. Alright, so those are the values of x. Right, so here in the second problem that is given, they want, if the sum to infinity equals 2, calculate the value of x. Alright, so sum to infinity, I assume you remember, is a1 minus r. Sum to infinity equals 2. Right, they have for a 1 plus 2x, and we got r in the previous slide as 1 minus 2x. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Negative times negative gives me positive. Right, so 2x times 2, if we cross multiply, gives me 4x, and there I'm left with 1 plus 2x. If I take 2x over, it becomes 4x minus 2x, which gives me 2x equal 1, and if I divide, 1 divided by 2, x equal to half. So the value of x here equal to half. So hope you follow, you understand. It's not just application using sum to infinity. Alright, continue practicing. Continue believing in yourself. You have nothing else but to become successful.